Hi everyone. So basically this video is about how to learn Python for free, absolute free, and yes, with absolute knowledge without leaving anything. So let me tell you, there is a site called py4e.com where all the content is available for free with videos. So you can always go there, learn from the videos and the book, which is again available for free, and try your hands out, and of course you can be champion at this course. Now second thing, the same content and the same videos maybe some different videos, but the same concepts of course, and the same book is also available some other paid sites like Coursera and all that, but they will ask you to pay. But the only difference with those sites and this site is that the py4e.com is just for the knowledge and it's open source resource site, but they are not going to give you any certificate, right? But once you complete the same thing from a paid site called Coursera or something, then you will get a certificate and maybe you'll have to pay for that certificate.
Hello and welcome to chapter 2.
Again, of course, on the Coursera and the EDX site like that, there's an option that you can go there and learn for free also without a certificate. But I would suggest the format available on here on this py4e.com, which is a basic site, is absolutely amazing. So you should stick to the very basic site, which is py4e.com, and learn from there. Now the question comes how you are going to learn, because it's a self-learning way, right? We are going to learn it ourselves. Just 1 second, let the plane go. It's a little plane. Okay, now let's come back. So it's a self-learning website. So how are we going to learn self? What we are going to do is that we are going to study the book first, right? Then after getting for example, in one chapter you are learning one concept. Then you learn the concept and then you try your hands out on the computer with that particular Python and thing. And then you see the results yourself. When you're satisfied with the result, you think you get the concept, you'll again go ahead and read the second paragraph. And wherever you get stuck, or maybe after reading one chapter you feel that you want some help, or maybe you want to see the video, then of course you can go there and see the video. So first we are going to study the book, try our hands on the computer, and then we are going to refer the video. So that is the whole concept. Now how I am going to help you out? What I am going to do is that I am going to simplify some basic concepts with a different angle altogether. The concept here is to that you have the book and the concept over in front of you, but all these are black and white, right? I am going to give you some angle that from how you need to study that black and white figure. I'll try to put some logic. Of course, the teacher there on the site has done a great job. When you will see his video, maybe you like his teaching a lot. But again, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you some simple logic which works in this world, and even without being a coder, you will be able to connect with those logic to understand Python and to make the best use of it. So all the best. Let's start the just beautiful journey together.